welcome to today's video, and this one is going to be on how to do your makeup like Heather Baron Gracie. And if you don't know who she is, then you should know. She is the lead singer of a band called Pale Waves. They're a fairly recent band, and they play very kind of synthy, kind of dreamy, poppy kind of music, and I love it. It's really good fun, and this look is inspired by a few looks by Heather. I'll just put some images here so you can see. It does change the colours of her eyeshadow quite often, but she usually goes for oranges or reds and wears the black lipstick as well. So I kind of just did a mix of a few different looks that I'd seen. So I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. I put my voile behind me, by the way, because you couldn't see the wig when I didn't have this white sheet behind me, and I thought that the wig was, I don't know, I like this wig, so I wanted you guys to see it, so that's why I've got this shitty kind of background, because otherwise you wouldn't really be able to see the wig. And yes, it is a wig. I haven't dyed my hair black. I'm not dyeing my hair black. It's just for the video, just a little bit of fun. And so I hope you enjoy, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do are the eyebrows. I'm going to take a matte black, and I'm going to be using the soft Glam palette quite a lot in this tutorial. Sorry, it is a little bit dirty. I bought it months ago. It's all fuzzy, so it attracts lots of dirt. I'm going to be taking this matte black here. Just use any matte black or whatever you fancy, really, depending on how you like to do your eyebrows. So let's go in with that, and I'm just taking the Real Techniques eyebrow brush. I am not going to do these too dark, actually. She doesn't have really bold eyebrows. I'm just going to kind of focus on putting the eyeshadow in like the center and not bringing up right to the edge of where my brows are, because I want to create an illusion of having thinner eyebrows than I actually do have. Let's bring this out a bit. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is, she kind of wears, sometimes she wears very orangey colours, sometimes very reddy colours, dark reds, and so I'm going to start off by using this kind of burnt orange colour from the soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to be putting it all over my lids, all up to the crease, and kind of just all around the eyes, really, because she goes crazy with her makeup. I love her makeup so much. I don't really know if I'm going to go in with more like orangey kind of colours and make this more of an orangey kind of look, or if I'm going to make it more of a reddy kind of look. And I'm actually going to also be bringing in here quite a lot too. I'm going to bring it down even further, I think. Way down here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Sienna, which is a slightly darker orange, but it's kind of leaning a little bit more now towards the red. I think what I'm going to do is kind of build it up gradually with reds and then see how I feel at the end, really. And what I noticed with her makeup is that like the closer it gets to her eyes, the darker the colours are. So but for now, as these colours are still pretty light, I think I'm going to be using them pretty much everywhere on my lids. Well, on my eye space. I'm hoping to see Pale Waves live. Hopefully, I know they are coming to Southampton, so hopefully I'll see them in Southampton, but I'm also thinking about going to see them in Manchester. So let me know if you guys are going to any shows, because it'd be great to see you if you're going to be at any of the shows. Kind of deeper, I'm not quite sure what you call that colour because I'm a bit stupid, but I'm going to be really concentrating that on the lids. I'm going to take from my sleek Ultra Mattes palette, I'm going to take a tiny little bit of this very bright orange right here and just see how I feel with it being like, I'm thinking about putting it kind of like mainly like on the lids of my eyes, just focusing it here on the center. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I just curled my lashes. Now, I also got rid of a few extra eyebrow hairs here that were kind of annoying me. And also, there was a little bit of fallout here, so I just got my beauty blender and just put a little bit of foundation over that. So now I'm taking Barry M's Showgirl Mascara. It's not very good, I don't recommend it, but it's all I've got. So I'm just going to be using that and just really coating the top and bottom lashes a lot. Now, usually, obviously, I would say to do the eyeliner before the mascara, but, but adjust my fringe. But I'm not really sure about how I'm going to do the eyeliner yet, and I didn't want it to really get in the way too much of the lashes, so I kind of thought if I put all my lashes on my mascara and everything first, then I would kind of be able to judge it more. So I just found my Tarte clay paint liner, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm just taking a little brush, tiny little pointed brush like this. I'm gonna go in on the waterline. Ooh, this is dark. I'm just going to go on the top lash line as well with the same stuff. You can see, just very, very close to the lashes. Eyeliner done. I think I'm going to bring the black down just a little bit. I'm going to be taking this kind of flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be taking Noir, again, the one that I used for my eyebrows, and so just underneath here. Making sure it kind of just blends in with the waterline, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the top here. Just smudging it out. You can still see loads of the colour on the lid, but also the black. I think we could do with some more. I'm going to go in with more of the burnt orange, actually, the first colour I used, and just put it higher up on this part of my eyes, so like kind of bring it out as much as possible. I just feel like there could still be even more eyeshadow just on the outer part. Honestly, go crazy, like just bring it down as far as you want to. I'm also going to use more of that bright orange. I still feel like this look just isn't vibrant enough, so I'm going to go in with a bright orange and just kind of pack it on everywhere. And I'm going to take a little bit more of this Mulberry and put it kind of just a bit more on the lids. Okay, so final thing. Well, I guess I could like contour whatever, but I know I'm definitely going to be putting black lipstick on, and I'm going to be taking Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick. I love this, and this is Weirdo. So here we go. Heather has quite fairly thin lips, but they're like quite wider than mine, so I'm gonna try and recreate that. I think I'm just gonna contour in here a little bit more, because she naturally has more of a contour. Anyone has more of a bloody contour than I do on my face, so I'm just going to go in with a kind of brownie color. I'm thinking maybe Sienna or Cypress Umber, like kind of like just a couple of matte kind of brownie warm brown colors, and just kind of go in here and just really build this up, because I think that this could really help define the look. Yeah, like that, but blend it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out. Most people probably won't need to do this, but I just wanted to do it because I think that this is gonna just make me feel like the look is kind of more heathery and less me. you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to go with a little bit of contour. Just going to be taking just a medium matte brown and just giving myself a little contour. I've put a little bit of like a medium matte brown as well, just to define the nose more, just because my nose is so much less defined than hers. Like, I hate my nose. It looks flat as a pancake on my face, and does always need a little bit of contour. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done. And so that is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some way. I'm sorry that it was a little bit all over the place because I wasn't entirely sure what I was doing at some points. Like I said, this was my first time trying out this makeup, and I'll just do a close-up so you can see exactly what the makeup looks like. Very, very dramatic, loads and loads of smokiness going on. Yeah, and let me know what other makeup looks you'd like me to do. Maybe any other kind of like more kind of transformation-y kind of videos like this where I get a wig and I happen to have the same top as Heather as well, so I thought I'd wear this in the video. So yeah, and I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah. Bye everyone.